Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over my trade review. I know I just posted the recap from today's live stream. However, my results are a little bit different than what I did on stream just because I thought I could catch more upside and I just simply didn't. So I was about break even. We'll cut the suspense. I'm going to show you the TradeZella right now. Let's get to it. So I've adjusted a couple things just to kind of focus on what I want to look at. I want to care about daily win rate, my daily win streak, and just P&L. That's my goal. I want to make this number go higher while limiting drawdown. So as you can see, Zella scores about 70. It's green. Looks good. I think that's good. We'll find out, right? So that's the goal. Today, 41 bucks. I was up, down, up, down. So you'll see right here, down, up, down, break even is what it is. Can't really do too much. Had some nice trades in here. I won't lie. I was able to recover a lot of drawdown, but I can never piece it together in a way that was meaningful for me to get a solid green day. So we'll go over the trade ideas that I was looking at. I'll share with you the charts right now. Basically, we got the upside move that we've been talking about. If you've watched the weekly game plan videos, we've been looking for this upside move back into the swing high right here, right there. Boom, on MNQ and ES, however you want to look at it. Those are the levels that we're trading towards. I'm going to go over basically what my tentative game plan is moving forward. Essentially, I want to see a hold above here for this eventually, just as we discussed. Also, this new day gap right here on ES is notable. We also have that swing high right there. So the upside is in play. If you want to look at the weekly candle, there you have an outside week. This is an insanely bullish signal for me. That's what I would be looking at. I'm going to look for the trade up to here. So to make it simple, basically 20,400 would be the next reference up into this area. And then the corresponding would be 5,800 on ES. So for the near term, though, we want to look obviously closer on the daily levels. Basically, yeah, 20,000. Trade to 20,000. That'll give us some room. And then 56, 5,700 on ES. Those are the levels I'm going to be looking for moving forward to the rest of the week. Real quick, we're going to do a speed run just because I want to get this video posted right before the Asia or the New Day Open happens. We're going to look at VIX, see what we've been doing. Yeah, like we said, guys, we're still collapsing, which is a great sign to see. Let's go ahead and check Tesla, see what Tesla's done. Tesla's still kind of choppy. Let's see what Google has done. Yeah, Google's forming this nice base. To me, this looks bullish. I think higher. I think higher in the near term. Look at some of the bigger names I've been hearing about. Palantir, beautiful, beautiful move in Palantir. This is great. I mean, we have some Palantir from back here, right? So we're now chilling and in profits. Look at Hood real quick. Hood also nice accumulation base. I like this. We got earnings coming up soon. And yeah, it looks like a good daily setup to me. So a couple of things that I want to go over regarding what I've been trading lately. Again, top one futures, there's some rule changes coming for new accounts that are activated after Sunday. So if you've been on the fence about trying it, get on board now because you're going to get access to a quicker payout than what is coming. So I'll go ahead and even actually break that down for you guys real quick right before we get out of here. What you need to know for the 150K account, you can obviously extrapolate what it would be for the lower accounts, but for the 150K right now until the end of April, it is $400 to get 3,750 in drawdown, 6K in total drawdown. 20% consistency rule, and the minimum payout for this is essentially you have to make 2% of this balance. So 2% of 150. That's the idea. That's the minimum amount you have to make, has to fit this consistency rule. However, that 2%, it's, believe it or not, it's pretty easy to hit. I've had a couple of people already pull out $15,000, almost $20,000 each just doing this. So it's an easy thing to hit. They've adjusted this to be 4%. Essentially, it's going to be, here's the exact numbers. So when you look at it between the first payout, it's going to be 5%, 4% for the second payout, and then the third payout is essentially 3%. So it's scaling down. All it's doing is saying, hey, you guys are making a ton of money. Let's just stretch out the payouts. That's it. So there's been a lot of good feedback regarding top one so far. The link to join the Discord's in my description. So if you're interested in checking out what some of the guys are doing, again, all my analysis levels are posted here as well. A lot of us are on top one, so you can go ahead and check this out. Join, trade with us. We do the live streams here as well. Completely free. Just go ahead and join. But back to the main point. If you are interested in checking out top one, definitely do it soon, just because you're going to get an advantage in terms of being able to get paid out quicker than if you didn't. So looking at futures. So then, yeah, looking at the stats, once again, profit factors there, Total P&L is there. It's been a good month. You see I'm rallying up near the 6K mark. I told you guys I'd finish the month around $7,000. Pretty much there. I could pretty much call it for the week if I wanted to, or I could kind of push through the end of the week and see what I'm able to put up. So hopefully you guys found some insight in this video. Hope you guys stay safe. Look for some of these bigger moves that are coming in the index. I think it's bullish. I think it's up only from now on. I want to look at some of the cryptos real quick. Take a glance at these. Yeah, I mean, this stuff's starting to base out real nicely. Bitcoin as well. So when you get risk assets starting to, oh yeah, Bitcoin's up. So I think direction's higher. I've been calling this all week. I told you the bottom was in 2 weeks ago. So if that has helped you with your bias, please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace, love, and take care. Till next time.